Welcome back to Dancehall Jeopardy. I'm your host, Andrew Trebek. Today we have three brand new contestants. Our first contestant is no other than Queen of the Dancehall, Spice.
Thanks for having me, Andrew, and I make sure I obey all the rules.
You mean obey all the rules?
Yeah, man, that me mean.
Next we have the King of Caribbean Comedy, Majah Hype. Sir, what is that on your head?
It's my new character, Pante Pirate. You guys like it?
No!
Oh gosh, man, nobody kill me. Me sorry.
Okay, I don't know what accent that was, but last and not least is one of Jamaica's top crooners, Jah Cure. Jah Cure again, come to give your brat, I mean more again, yeah. Spice, you go ahead and pick first.
I would take scenarios for 400.
The answer there is, if you're in a dark hallway, how would you find the exit? Yes, Spice.
What is I feel away?
That is correct. Spice, pick again.
Give me what them have in common for 500.
The answer there is, it's actually a picture. What do these three have in common? Yes, Major Hype.
Why you got this my ex-fiance like that?
Facts.
Fire for that. Una too bright face and out of order.
Okay, are you guys done? Are all of you guys done? Spice, since you're in the lead, please pick again so we can move on. Wait, what happened to the lights? Spice, you forget to pay the Obia man again?